wakati. And then we started by saying, say, the guy need to because who our no is a move. With no worry for that. You are more 1 month, 2 months to get manage fast. And nobody you must say. Oh,
yeah.
But the way I need to be handled, if you want to be caster, Miss Animal, make you have bois so that your parents will be as sweet. And also, they will say, we are not making more when it comes, so don't worry, me, you want to be caster for now, no, one can. And also, you understand, they am panic and you must say. But anybody had one show. Now, she cut down some of the Fadia. They also cut any man. However, no, going forward, only do you have to keep cigar. This is your own source. Only for funny cigar. In the going forward, you know, open money for this. Only in Kakaka. Don't want share. Banu. And now, going forward, only Nikunya problem. Pair of beer, council not in Kata. Now, uncle, this is what happened. So, don't be worried. No problem. Not only Papa and Minikusa. Because they have emotional attachment to them. A lot of them, they are able to handle the issues well. And it will be only emotionally attached to the marriage. No, Kata. You can be a Rabbi Sonini Kata. And any mammy. But the mammy, the money, the person shall deal with her. Ni mammy say, when you papa to no one, on say, repeating home when the body move. It means that there's some trend I follow Sai Bushiano. It is spiritual, so sorry. I don't know, characteristic be a follow Nipapano, a bit follow Nipun. A cheap multi woman say, Nipapa come and limit to no shame. Nipanu see the same thing. It is nobody of war. Maybe also show the name of many papa now, married me condition. No to me sorry in the Bible. 1 year, sir. Send the no. But going forward, you know, Missikano, whom you be keeping. Only no problem, sir. On pay counselor. Ubia who has no emotional attachment to their marriage. One can Jennifer. But three of them are not much cheaper. Communicate. No, you can't. Yes, so yes, I bet what. But I mean, not coming yet now. Who are only so need you, but you are pretending as if you have. It's transparent. So that's why I know women in Mahmoud Sano Manasseh. They want us to be transparent. I just say, but yes. But this kind of weapon, the uncle didn't want to ban the water of Pamisa. We better move to the same thing, and I said, who do you mean and pass the brand?
Juma ne uncle. Eman 15 cities. Na watimi edibi afoka akwaba edibi ahwe no de ode banu musu obedi dini ade na wum. Na ne uncle ni wona say ne wife no eman is kama na de kwa. Na wa ma no is it 9 cities to 7 cities. 7 cities not the amount instead of the 15 no. Na eba ne saa 7 cities no. Or the yehwe enye yi enso no. Na opese or catch ne uncle no but how to go about it is as one hwe na okokan no saa no so a na akofa problem abafie no mpese problem beba ne uncle no so ne wife ne ntem but no kuri nyame anim ni 7 na ya ne wife ne de man no say uncle ni wona yeah
ma on angel uncle a bit with the confusion about it. Ochina, a bit blame say, on no the concern. A money uncle is the one in it. Then the uncle was in the manual. On country said, the uncle missing the man, no need of it. And then, more in this camp. Or this go to here, Uncle so, young I don't have 15 cities. It is 7 of their mammy. To me. The woman be coming and no catch the uncle now. Beboa. Then the catch the young man.
Yeah.
you be canon make at the night, and yet you didn't put to transport. But so finish it, so me only we mom said, yeah, one year. The problem ever. The other side, you say, yeah, everything we see and now say, the actually every year. But you got also of a beer, spend money every week and give up one. Aha. So the other man every day. And today, you would remember. We don't know from that. Tell me, what you need. Who are you free? Nanti ni mani manu wiki tu ada orang kali food is your own pan set in manu. Tapi pasal orang tu pakai jenis ni maybe di manu. Ha, must have wisdom and know how to handle it because oma worry.
Yeah.
And omo nyo papa no mami. You wofa. One you know children na ne akato ku worry. But a woman in money saving cedis. On can say anti saving cedis and so me. No trade your back. They're very important. You don't catch the man, mama. The thing is not the man, and so me. Mina say, and step one. I want to communicate who feelings a money bomb. Not steal your back. A beboa. The other one, one can answer say, what the mommy, one, they talk to mommy. Yes, sir, you have a way of only woman in the year about that, and there will be. Being much now. Then you'll be more one or now. Sometimes when we are dealing with people, no, we deal them in a certain way. Because of China by hard. Yes, in the financial say, but also getting the and so they want to know. It's a woman, it will not be forever. People have been worse patient than health. They have survived. It's also yes, you know, over answer. So quickly, no readman should know your bad one. But on calm it down. Situation of woman is not going to be there forever. It's just a process of life. Sometimes you have to endure for the sake of tomorrow. So don't calm it down. But need listen. If I'm talking about maybe some money down. Because almost capet, Professor Mosca. I didn't know nothing. Unless you demand. Want to know. Life is free. Today, only Nanko. Or China. It will not be the same. Don't you know?
Right. Councillor Beda was here. Na ye jaw mwako na kakre bi arbema ene fontu yon for we.
This issue of health, the office said, Nipa na only namano. No one young should be anywhere. No. But you cannot be the same person. I'll new be better. I'm on worry. Then no worry, yeah. That person now becomes very important to you. It cannot be. It cannot be. It can't. So we are not. So only guy no be am position in guy. So you cannot be the same person now. Who see whatever go guy no. I see what go people from no. Many people are very important about. Also thinking is that. But in the name of X, in the name of all, Ubia mbie ni uyire ukunu nini X bibi ni atwa ona jina ho. Put your feet down. That's your wife. That's your husband. If that person does whatever, that person should go and bend in the whatever. He should go and bend in hell. Because some of them won't. Because of you that, they think they have a certain authority over Nippon on our list. A woman dream, my dear, you cannot well, we call me. It's on no fees there, our anymore. On the or 3 hours anymore. You are talking about somebody's marriage. That's a covenant between two people. I don't want to say that you cannot come there now between your weight about. some of them offer kana ni yifa na me pese me no kaka na the who dey na o yafa but them for dey no kunapa and they rather sit somewhere and they want to consult the marriage. The time in which we are now, people become very wicked. Obiende neni or next form. Obino with wife. Ukunu it delay a certain man on pa. Let the person understand say, hey, I haven't remember how. Ukunu me. The dependent here, the baby on bello. No one I'm not complaining. I'm so say, oh, I don't know complaining. In an answer. And it's a family idea. Some of them 1 year no problem for you. Oh, send me this. You share who gave you that authority? To be answering you, I'm a woman. Very wicked. The generation, perverse. We look at the agra. The big of years. Look at that. Let them say that you are jealous. Protect your marriage.
Amen. Osha also counselor Dasipa area and so.
Madam,
Counselor, that's right.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Oh, man. So that was Counselor Oscar Shipi and all the confessions, brain. Check the time there. No, now about Pemu. A patrol quickly, a banner delivery service one can have. When him say, obey to me, I rely on Glovo. Obey or that your favorite food from that special restaurant. And I'll be deliver a package B and I'll person shopping groceries be from a supermarket beats and all. You can do all on Glovo. Glovo app now is not only easy to use and convenient, but with me I expect all orders no delivered in minutes as well. It is download the Glovo app now from the Google Play Store or the App Store and sign up. They use promo code way Glovo Day GH. That's GLOVODEYGH. Glovo Day GH. GLOVODEYGH. Now being 10 cedis off your first order with Glovo. Glovo, order anything and get it delivered in minutes. And DSTV is giving you 10 reasons to subscribe in the 10th month of the year. Reason number 1 is say it is season 2 of Sankofa Abreu on Aquaba Magic. And I feel so reason number 2 is say NAOA exclusive Europa and I feel Conference League matches now on Super Sport. Third reason is the new season of Real Housewives of Beverly Hills and so a Dragu on One Magic. The fourth reason is the unbeatable DSTV app. Yeah, no boy multi manage your account and you know what me BBR on the move and also the fifth reason is and you'll enjoy fresh box office movies every week. And the sixth reason of DSTV catch up. So I'm say episode be of your favorite series with me and catch up come apart. And the seventh reason of premium subscribers Ebenya Showmax added for free. Reason number 8, Compact and a Compact Plus subscribers and so Ebenya Showmax for 50%. Reason number 9, captivating and educational kids content Papa Panso Edebrel. And the final reason, EPL, La Liga, and Face Real games with me actually now on DSTV. So buy a DSTV decoder with installation and one-man access subscription for only 169 Ghana cedis. Better yet, ubet me upgrade it to compact. No, with an additional 108 cedis. Now I'll call it me. The patrol send it DSTV for call 1731. Now ubet me a new decoder. DSTV, this is your moment. Yeguswaya kase ekwentia wa betimi afa so na wasi iron deficiency anemia no kwan no ene se ubedi enuane a iron ewo mu pa yi. Yes, iron rich foods and American contumely, bedroom liver, red meat, fish, shrimps, eggs, boko, alefu, granite, beans, cowpeas, green leafy vegetables, and then foods like iron fortified milk and then iron fortified cube spices, and so it's me a good sauce. Now what did you hear no? Abusua se be na betimi absorb iron nutrients na wo aduane mu ye pa no. Aye the fruit rich in vitamin C. Maybe to say pineapples, oranges, you know, pawpaw, mangoes, ne ade no. Udi big sana. My body need to make iron nutrients na wo aduane odi mu ye pa. Why? Yan say ya na intimate prevent iron deficiency anemia. Live strong with iron. It is raining cash. Yes. Hey, cash. Hey, Tugumeso. Airtel Tigo. Tugumeso promo. I landed the drive. Oh, yes. I'm out for the cash now today. A free Sabre, I'll copy him December. All over Ghana. Obia Benya Kwenya so bet me the cash. Awesome prizes every hour, every day, every week, every month. And the grand cash prize, 100,000 Ghana cedis. That's why I say about dial *500 hash. Now I recharge 5 cedis or more, and then you build up points from the recharge. Now face where bundle purchases and usage. You swear time in there, they don't build the points now. No ATM transactions in there. And all person double the points. No more pounds so there. Yeah, SMS trivia now. Every day be a share so no. Bet me a subscribe 30 pesos. Now I answer simple questions. More now we can now win your points no more. Now cash no soon more. So don't miss out. Just dial *500 hash to join the Airtel Tigo Tugumeso promo. Kaisa so we near. Only this number near the best from 0260 000 Any other number be a best for so we need to be Airtel Tigo to be a scam. Airtel Tigo. Life is simple. If I try at 12 or 13, not 14, not 15, now you reach your competition on the 15th of October and our closing date, area drew. Inti Sabre OS in ya ready and patroni ya bobano ultra essay wabra address the Minister of Lands and Natural Resources on the effect of illegal mining on cocoa farms. Now I stated the importance of cocoa to Ghanaians. And one no. As I say, our parents are now, garden are now, class teacher and dossier or handwritten essay no. What posted their choir the Richoku National Essay Competition, PO Box AF 851 Adenta Accra. And now bet me the acquire Accra Central Post Office, Adenta Post Office, Achimota Post Office, and now Melcom Outlet, or Kanishi, East Legon, Tishi, Tema, Frafraha, Madina, La Paz, and Afekisima. I say closing date for submission of entries, the 15th of October 2021. For further details, visit the Cadbury Richoku Facebook and Instagram pages. Terms and conditions apply. My rain free. A Patrol Records night, Basso Den. The night you've been waiting for is finally here. The Salt and Light Music Ministry and your favorite choir, the Harmonious Chorale Ghana, at the Records night, bro. And we're bringing you your favorite chorale and classical hits from back in the day, reminiscing the tunes you loved most. Come on, pa. Nina said, no. Your baby streaming live. Now I'm sweating me on the corner there back. We say a live virtual concert. Yeah, you're streaming a Warrior Harmonious Chorale on my YouTube channel on Sunday the 24th of October 2021, 6 p.m. sharp. Theme also, Lord, you've been our dwelling place in all generations. Will you fear Psalm 90 verse 1? And to make sure also subscribe to the Harmonious Chorale Ghana Youth YouTube page and our YouTube channel. Now what's me joining to relive the golden moment of the olden days. For further information, Patrol phrase 026 813 0615 and our 0243 588 467 and our 0302 772 031. Now, Joe, so not just say, yeah, baby, come on, you know what I'm saying? Still enjoying the brand new one from Obapa Christie. The Glory. That's the title of this one. Brand new. Vodafone 2 match business. And so Mwakwenya. Na watimi atoto nneema yie se de beya nkita hodie wa adwuma mu no bibia beko yie na eka no enkoye kese esan se adwuma bia ni wono mu a ne nkita hodie no ni na ye peda. Yes, every business bia with different needs. That is why Vodafone 2 match business Emma the best mobile plan on the market with awesome value for amazing results. So go on design your own mobile plans to talk, test, and do more according to your unique business model. Because Vodafone 2 match business, Emma the flexibility of it media customizer of voice, SMS, and a data plan to fit your business and your budget as well. So now you can grow your business to match your ambitions with more in your mobile package at the same price. Hope so signing up and send a start for call 050-777-9000 and I'll send email fafa.vodafonebusiness.gh at vodafone.com. Vodafone, together we can. Asumi o dedo do fire get test for so traso na yokwani.
Well, please. I get test sports a perfect program,
okay,
perfect engaging and perfect unexpected. I get test sports a papa. So listen to I get test stop. You grow old and you die old. Thank you.
That's all. Oh yes. Safu Kumchacha.
My name is Prophet Kumchacha. I'm listing Alligators Sport on Adom FM 106.3 FM. So you listen, Prophet Kumchacha. I'm listening and I'm here. God bless you.
Amen. Sisi.
Other for me didn't Sisi Chum. Now they be irrigated sports. There's no day minty irrigated because me tia manage na me stress.
Good. Over.
Open program one dedication fast sports one. Tie irrigated sports. Wadum 106.3 FM. The famous John.
Good. Eja kwa kwaba.
Yadro.
Na what to say?
Oh nyame adom. They want to sue APC.
Eja bri. I want to say, I feel not this year.
Yeah. Where who that?
How? Dear brother, that say how? Okay, good. Now, question of the day, and you be no. One go project and one of my was I shall say and I should be proof anyway.
Oh, wait there. Yet here for a chamo. I said, yeah, Kokua Trama and Yansempa. Is that your boy? Your question will be there. And then answer your boo homework and now, just improve me. Who's another answer your boo home? Any born means and Tiadichi or Daniel Quachi, and a bed is a bit much of no update and a man. I answer we answer update
now. Say, any answer, oh my, I say update now.
The best amateur, you would have fun. enti e ba sa ye koduru ho sa no de be de so be sha bro mienu nti we nya one go project no enti ye ntwen ansa
okay
se hanu momuna so ye hye ba ko na ebi anka wo de hu se abokoba ye ku ye diem
okay openi
yeah
bremu
em say man be ya oko interview ko bu yanka na dwuma bo ni bi na me bui
okay
woni bona etesi so yeah
you want fun
say na dwuma wura no ankasa no o share space ni ntino
yeah
man na hu say ete wona ni so to obu be na man na twene space ne call for na just
ohu te no
na chese woni bona
hade bi si so
man ni ye na ni say
one ono so hanen kese ba
no se to be no so
o so
na ebo a
man was there be e benu nya sa na ebu
woni bona ebo a obani ebse se ye share qualifies yasi yakọ away ene de ka ho ampre no update na mema we
yeah
se first one e ko ene si nya wa mpese ya
anka e boy
sen kasabre openi e ofie on dem je so ni openi ameken yeah openi akono ko ofie
yeah
be sense okọ e wantini enya ba akokra na osa akodwe ne to e ma wan de ba akuhye mu ntino ene ne ofie no enti broni ya bana anya bibi kura no akobo ba akọ ahyem na yenya 3 points ni hia pa so te ase openi ball 2 matches onya 3 points obroni ba wa 2 matches onya 6 points enti update ne kire say obroni ne e ball no homodin
yeah
and you can't be your balls a tree no mechanic say openi or balls
oh that
balls when you want to be say
when ultimi nya no diet and you obetimi aka say obi o akokuduru
yeah ni you
yeah
say na say
obi a onsi nsuo mu ansa
no ham yeah papa ba ku bi kan ho ansa
zede kwaku wasi bebu mu ye faso
ana se me to abo e be shisa
onye romance ansa na wafro
ana na peking kai
Uze eyi nikanika ya wende ya mobro wa kurazi. Ze edumu
Abrantia no best at.
So ti anye ye na obako na ensi so na ze ukodi line so ansa na man ni frechiro ze oba best everyday. Okono okokari ni oil. No ba hebet no. Za no kofada die bi a odi ba be hye ade ne kon so se. Na osase bi o cross start ya o heze bet no.
Yeah.
Enhye yinti amemo aye de no ja to. No akaba. Asa no be ne geje. Geje.
Afene ja
yeah I was on the session with you. One the was so the sakoso ho no we me
ya wo bro di kan ne fi a obesa go get wa. Na oyamo abehno na emfe papa nti oya odne nsa fa ho no asom no akosa no
bebo asie
nti ohwe na se ade ne se no nya obeduma fidie na asase sane se no no spare one no ho obi oso na je se opepam kakra kankan on de yam adwene wi
am pem amore bese
na afi no de ba be ye waburu ama wa
na ne se na tro abani
no video za no de kofrade na wawu
oh ebi watimi gi waburu mu ba guni e be kan se den
oti ba ku ya na ebu bo adwo
e be kan ni pa be bre was adu oh
ni karika
ona usa na se ye di yam makoni ade ne ba ye nche o so bu okodi yam makoni ade
kokofo no oh twitwa Jeka drone eyi nyina afra tina jiwdiem
unsa okoya maburo ne baso na ofete a eya na unhu de be wonso ani achi ohene ti oyese odo
odo se fo ani achi kakra
basa mu konkonte ni nyanya mumudi o abi ameka se odi konkonte na odi konkonte na akoye di aka beti ama mu adi ji so otwem ye wie
bibia
e asemu e na be kohwe na akura na asenso no machine ba ko pe o
e no ta ye ɔmo ta etu na baako ne kyerɛ ne ho nti no no obi aba no
tia
abani nti back to the story eti wo hwɛ ebroni modern mo de ti ameka boss ya asɛm ya em sɛ be mfinhyia no mu de me nhyɛ den hu match aye bɔ
yeah
papa ibe ɛwɔ hɔ a
watra
wɔn de na tranche sɛ onyina ho me na akyiri wabam sɛ
ɔba ekura na jama akasima kakra bi pe o
ɔba ekura sɛ na nka ɛna ɔba no mete so wɔn ka kyerɛ no bench sɛ 5 minutes na aka no momfa hoɔden kɔhyɛm nipa ne kan ne twi eti ɛbɛ mu sɛ ɛyi microphone sɛ ɛwɔ na ɛna peke ɛna opponent na ɛyɛ no mu nti twi nti no sɛ yɛ bɔ match bi a ɔmo shout commander ɛyɛ na ɔmo de twi no kasa kyerɛ so 5 minutes na aka no momfa hoɔden kɔhyɛm yeah nti and now Peninsula started free bench I say it's all good for the team sabio ya ka teamwork na enya ba akofo na hoden one nsem yes nipa na one de be gina 9 no na ene man hye da ehunu yie papa o hwe ne form ne stature ne de anka o ka se we de number 9 pa but
tete the team said tete kra you know the you tete yi
unim ade o ye unim da bi ewiase na ka be ba so yi say ye wo hoyi ye wo Jesse bi ho no akofa na ade sha itu ko Manchester United the Cristiano Ronaldo free ho number 7 no owi a wagin din o Liverpool akọ Real Madrid din obe she amoa no Valencia be she amoa no Depay Memphis Depay so ba be fa she ya
amfa
Di Maria so e be ye amoa no Jesse bi ho no mu a asamoja Jesse number 3 ena man yi wo ba be bo ye so wa hwempo okoko fa sa Jesse no openi so ti we team no onyi ne re emfiri mu sa
David
o hwe se oberon training kakra na enya me pe na so tibi sa fa ne tuma pe fra wa back no okofa number 3 no na who defend man go yeah bo no eko ayinum no boss no na ono clear ye passes wo ho e de man for
ese me hwe no ana sa ba hwe me ntitete yi wo se
esu baby o won so bo pa
mo se debi tete
opani
tete debi
FCB say ifie edu entemu ani a ekofie du ba kumu ani obeka ya ene eyi Nations Cup ne World Cup wo South Africa sabre no eyi Steven Appiah na nation number 10 JC ya ono kwa na ne captain sa and so Milo Kro ya odi Steven Appiah tena nchen na eyi the day bo den sense sabre no na Steven empumu eye ayemre
nti se de nsuo ye no se sa na ewie
o kan nsuo asemi ansa na meto blaster asemi kwa me obo ade o ya fasuban bi say eso to a o madu
ono kwa na ti ba bi anya kwagu upia bonte a ya hwe me ka no ho
eza wa tete o
mikoti mitimi kra
na odi abusi shop na nim za
na me de akosi shop na nim wo za ko de ka no
ni atade
de ka no hwan pa eti chense nyo no kwa na fie kwa eno kwa na kai yo enti de nka kuma yi de ne enti chense nyo no kwa na fie kwa nya enti ezuo to a mo fa ye no za na
wan se okutwa job bi ntende we ne dan baby aduru no onyeska
onyemoso
skande hwan de na nza yo akwatwe pa
da bi wo de ndia na person ye tubom no na ya ntina ya na ho akire wo so you know despite no ni kosi twumu na yesa asi tubom de
utri so ate
se ija ni nsemu ye
ona nsemu ye
simien bomu de wo de wo kan dan yo hu mamenchia deputy finance minister Dr. John Kuma
amakakra
oh debi papa no kra mi hia no da minimum but mi hia
no ya mi SPO was na odi mani ma fe baako
wa ya dia ma
form to know
mani agene ho pa so wa kusi
ohuna mani was papa satam no ni honam
oh okay
yeah SPS abre yi na no ni honam kra ene John Kuma
so ne usese ni mo edu
oh si se die se we are na brabo no boko na oni ya na esan
then
obu also wa moni ya na abrabo no so esan
abukofu
na foto
obi ho nso a wo ye ne den a said no be
I don't know your kakre bi.
When no
general no so say no general mosquito no so
Lord omo nam Lord kwan.
Lord kwan so say sa we there we on wie
I say player I assigning.
Sometimes I handsome brand here.
Your dick. Open his own your dick. Yeah, player kwame about the best. So I call which aba make can
Nana make up papa na asem no. We see toilet facility say we mu 30. Fe. The man ni kromufo. Enanya no nko a wasan share another building bi ase a we see. Me say no as about 3-story building. Oh yeah. And oba yan so nche you.
Opokuare.
Yes.
School mo no akwa see some ultra modern toilet facility bi ho no.
Oh ya dey.
Enye easy.
And am for see toilet pa.
Ya dey. E ho hia. Nda won tie se krofo na mo amesi bia man ya.
Afoka na onya ba bia.
Aba ya sraba so.
Ba mo ayom yes ade na mo nyai sa. The whole community. The entire community na mo timi nya contribution pe ba bi nya ya de se na mo sugu aba so nya ba bi nya na nya ba bi nya. E ka sen. Sa na mo yende ana nya guy.
Mo be hu team no mo.
We team no minim sa ban na atwa mu dia. Go we team de ohima nya ni ebie mu odin. So mo ka bo mu we tu kakra.
We say na wo de be brambre mu.
Eno so pani fine o.
O jawa so. Enemre wi. Enemre wi.
Obani we team no.
Aboatia bi ekọbọ ne sese wo so ha ho na be
omre ya no mta pia na dwo na wian so aso ye din
so ye pe odo se kua
David team no say o ma no eye se de ya ma na ya na ha dwen o de make
e basura
pi na mo ani tenam no e wo fom a o mu kra so o wase
o team
o soro de a na ya na ha
o se sa be na twi nkura na baso
e baso
yo be pe nkura
e baso so ya na we no omo be able to say stamp no e one sample bi no oboso anu aba oboso e ha dwi bebre me na odi akai me obey you say transparent water closet seat aba
ai
hu bi
enye seat go port no
jeko fatu Facebook na man for hwe na minim adwen kura ba won ya manufacture ye no won trim se won ye saade no empenfo e wo baby se ani enhu a enye tan we de on pese ani hu minim ade krunti a won de saade we ba
ai
efe de
o me ma hu o so unzo kan pe na make sure say port
ne fe ne de
kuraba so de kuraba mum kuraba de kuraba
open you there wa just imagine say ade we nti na tese minti ase minimum adwen bo
we no eyema unse wono ukoso a wuro ho nyina nti we yema o
da bi o ade we no kra no wote so a u bo mu akohwe saa ye den ana de make hu say wa wote so no say bia
also ohwe
da bi
bia na mega say afaduro ami a kire o de free mu aba
afaduro bia
uwie ye no free mu aba
tie uwie ye no
ama from na Facebook
obani efe
obani also hu adia efi oyem eba say
me nka sense se hu but ni hunu mu no the usual ones here we say ya sorry we are hunu
enye obia na ehwe
any only pa kuno so dey say we on hwa we so go
na no nsa fefe na wa flush
any pa kuno so say ya na we so be na
David say we dey otesu ni nyina ohwe na hu say ground say
David obi a me ti ho say jama na ya afi na me ko yesi akohwehwe me na ayi mu sai de me nya da je ko etu we no de be boa ne say ti say bi a woni odofu say David say woni odofu say o no na unze na nse de se de no emusu eti bia oteso na ono so dware fa ha no bia ohwe de we bo so ene we de wo susu ade ya ma wala ko
I told bia otimi yu yem pa unze enso na wo mu no grasa
ba we ebe ya omo amini no we be ya ma omo amini no
say o digestive system na ye adwuma
omo amini no kwa ma no
eno no na we wi na
to mu anu ahunu
o flush a we no mo say ezu na be ka chi no mo say etimi antwa kroji nti esa ade say wo say
e fa fan
no ko ba bi o me de good tomatoes is what
e fa fan ja
ba o mo e mini no de to kwa ma no wonya so tena
obani we koto adwuma na ade ama ho because kakra bi twinchen ba bi kura na uya aje se onya so
ori ade atwi akasha na di bakuru ni o mo ntwa bi bo na o ntwa na afọ mi
eti mi say obani ade a ama mempe abonten ayin sa brush ya ye de yin yeah, they wrong.
When they wrong inside, no.
Yeah. Obi on ma on to ne boasima. On to ne boasima. Adini mpia nkona owia ode we na aron achiri. O flash ye na na ode brush no so akoti openi.
Oh yes.
Yes, that topic na. Na ba bia do dia.
Yanku brush.
Baby I don't dey yanku ani mu na say amanfo abakọ abebo manu.
Abonti ntia ho.
Amanfo abekọ a mo titi akira. Mudi we. Esen.
Die. Bonyum. Koku bonyum kakra.
낮에는 따사로운 인간적인 여자 커피 한 잔에 여유를 아는 품격 있는 여자 밤이 오면 심장이 뜨거워지는 여자 그런 반전 있는 여자 너는 선호해 낮에는 너만큼 따사로운 그런 선호해 커피 식기도 전에 원샷 때리는 선호해 밤이 오면 심장이 터져버리는 선호해 그런 선호해
Okay, therefore, alligator sports now, you go so.
And they are bombas.
Oh, wow, you need more baby. Also, yeah, but I been young consul. Yeah, Trasso, you're quite him. Yeah, the honesty. The honesty.
Opening. Yeah, more blasters abaso.
Yeah.
Say anko ya ka. Enti ekoyi so a e wo say ye ka ho asem. O ma ya de. Got 2 matches, 6 points. He say o hwe league log na. And as a table na for qualifiers near group no. Yeah, that top with 9 points. But see ami berem no. Na South Africa as Ethiopia for kabako.
Wow.
It just South Africa be got 10 points.
Nti o kon say ya na on be ba beda so.
But nyame ncha de say afunfo mienu na world group no. What I say, ba ko ne ya share home and away. And South Africa for so 8 me and share we mu home and away. Omo show omo board draw.
It was a goalless.
O de bombo goalless draw. It told almost say Ethiopia for you cry home and away we are on by that 10 points.
Yeah.
What I say, nyame ya adom na ye ko say Ethiopia for no.
Your last match you no more.
Your last match any omo. It is still almost win your match no cry. 1 point per on time. Ye chi omo okrom ha.
You know me dey be
you know mu wie no ano no.
Studio me nka e bebu agum ha.
What I say?
Yeah.
Decide and be no mu okrom ha, but we no who qualify from group no cry. Now qualify for World Cup. And now quite akoka say any Egypt for no. Sa final decider no. Nti sa no team bi ono so age ono no e group no otopo no group no e mu ba ko ne ye so ye be sa no mo abo nti e ko ne nyanwie sa nyanwie sa
countries now mo e de no Nigeria, Egypt, Morocco
no Nigeria crowd now no say Central African Republic for question
oh mo sa question Nigeria question 2-0 but osha emphasis Cameroon Cote d'Ivoire one group nti o mienu ba ko be film
na Senegal so ho Senegal Algeria for ho
and Mali for no more bonus when you have some ketwa.
Mali for no.
Enya easy.
Mali.
She. Yenye African Cup na ya me mfumani ni wan chisa.
Omo group no say almost the first. Enya some ketwa media empire ne say ke ni Cote d'Ivoire for mu nhia.
Cote d'Ivoire for.
Cote d'Ivoire for mu jona so.
There be omo team no so unse
individual isa.
Omo yi no
I frefre ko ba
o sheda yin hu sa
isanse asro for de no mu ko hia yawu ho die we on ba yo mo ni o ma no kase na som di nsuo kura be gusu ama so ya chaka di be mi ensan wa
ebi na nra de na make Morocco fo ni
nkrofo yi
ayi gini bi so afo yi omo dina ade chi no anopa no omo no awi aso so bebobo
be da bebo
hadwen papa
this is it ye wakono ma amanfo investment nso asai mum se na bi no twa 2-1 o
sa then na mo pepe ni hwehwe no be no
bet for
twa opese o ma first score line say the over dream
me say via for boy
be uni adru na akoma first score line eno aso atwa win ana anya sa na mo ye no yes ayi kura opportunity also be try double chance the basa ni the obe win bia yes
out me answer na bi no mo yansa wie na
musika
I no mo yansa na by force akoy 2-1
say obani
skarenye what
what's the
investors ni bi che say skarenye
why African no ano sikana nyese senye
na o peso di bet ba ko
so bu bet
o peso di bet ba kura o si dan on
ye bi na oja fo ya 40,000
o sho ka ho no de twa bet o diska ko to ka mo ya ne sa
ya na anfo no
ya man 40,000 so onyi was wompe o 100,000 ni nyina
me ka mo mame
na yes an o say ne de san wa
o mame 1,000 franc abeji
yes an o say ne de san wa
sai papa ben
ko be ama ko itie yewu
ufri atoye mantum eba
Abeli o obi mantum
ai vivi
mantum ba
no atoye o
yeta mantum
no takradi
anya central no
central no free na so free atoye mantum
ni kuro mu ye central ba atoye mantum
this one ho ya dia no free anoi
ale na nzeza
anoi mantum ko visa kwa so me ya sa no no me hu ho da be pemne
obani nyame adoma Kumasi Asante Kotoko eja ye bra pa ye gbo a enkrofo tifie anko bi no huni anko bi no huni fo no unse sa ankrofo no Dr. Pabo body on bonyum o mati say Dr. Pabo wife so wu kra
o za
say on be di no 1 week say e mabusu fo no ya ko de kafra na anko bi no huni fo no a omote ifia omo de blog twitwi omo moto no omo we ho no nyame ya adom a eda ya wada e bebo first a friendly match say sports for na ka ho asem but international flyer no aba is it Kotoko branding there e di kum krofo papa flyer na ba a che se enya asem ketwa na empenifo am ya te ase se kwan bia so no yene ahilafo no bebo nyame ya adom a Thursday friendly matches bet yes e wo Dubai I'm say you bought Thursday na Monday also ba ko sa wansa ne bebo Wednesday friendly matches 3 and sakra ne ba be dura you be bo one top international friendly e wo Baba Yara Sports Stadium yes and na ye jersey no so for 2021-2022 season no aba be duru Ghana ha jiko pachofa ya we jersey no eto o ma me why
is in the
away Jason
your friends a teacher
so Jason we me she bia badwuma e she ni nika ni nyina badwuma
na no she buta ka preko
kwago o Jason na da ho no e da ho bibia te say eni da ho hu Jason atum say yes e na o men ya mamre ni amane ho ahyenso de aginyame ne eyi na deda ho kama no o hu Jason no
o me gusu hu ba
what here oguzumba
yellow and black
yeah now what the match no
fly under so
okay I don't know coach Prosper any yeah boys no and no so na me ka Steven Amanko na asem onso nyame ncha de sisi wakwa ko duru Dubai
almost 1 week ni ene o
ne no mo ye no
Pabo Yere no.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Oh. Don't worry.
Listen the F.
Openi enye no nko a unse ye coach bako Gazelle oni communications and brand manager David Obeng. Only dinye David Obeng. David Obeng. Yes. Omo call a 1 month attachment and training e was Southampton. Yeni omo ewo partnership na abawiye na on free UK no opani o ma meka Ghana a serious team like Kumasi and Tokotoko that's Koroko nim dia omkwaje no dia to team no e wo Dubai
am for ye
say oh
go ba for
a channel show in Indiana naze BBI pastor
ooh baba ni chani o Rainbow for papa na dia na say ni chani mu say ota cheche we
za solid why
me take case
enti opani omo akwakudu Dubai omo picture na daso no Kotoko coach ne brands and communications manager nim dia bi omkwaje na saramte no ni kwa so omtena me ba Ghana nsa e say team ne prepare enti omo so de kwa supporto technical team no na omo bibie so akere omo so omkwamku ye player baako ne nana afrim na ka player nana afrim anke yen kan de but we no ne nana na one na tena free no call abrims like otete no virtually as ono na aye ne guardian at now nti ye man kafra o Dubai de but ya ndi o meto unze phone cramphone BBC no
na
chese sharp say nipa no ebe film na uni around that untimi hu kopem time
but na na yebe sempeni for LGBTIQ bi no mo de kono unze o mo won
LGBT ODB ni dikaba
LGBT
I know she said omo aye no ade omo pekura ne say omo yi no ode ba ko ba ko she ba ko ji
LGBTIQ class sakodru Z bi no mo de akono ye omo modin say omo nta omo colors no kura ye bebra
ade wanya tumu a o ba bi akona hot jai ade omo man ne ye colors dada
Baby says I Hannes has for no
and Franco for house ho house I go
one make be my phobia by
1911 phobia by now be LGBT I say
I so don't funny use flag no
oboa so do for be baby I do so this
oboa me amachire
enye no
research hu hia
me say enye no kre we be team fa
abofo no kwaso onye mu do na esi obi dan so a kire say
enye no kre me say kre guide o ti okika no we asem however
me o commercial break wa
and here my program me o da ye promotions is here
o asem dey kana ma bufu sa na ze wa no o se hwe yi
o na de na me omo ye na me
say we say na kroma ni nim say ye benya mpanimfo pa ma o maka bi say
omo de omo ho omo nya
na so fo do
me kwakuyi sa de yi so yin ba ti atumo when you
ne kwaku no ne kwan da ho wa no she
and change me perception me sexual preference
that unim say di shama sumi nyina say ma o afi ansa
ya po je wasu na de
you start na
kwaku na ma ne ma je ko va video itu mam na ye hwe ade yi Jerry u say uko ativedo a
e yampa unim say we no me pian so asi ade na ma me twembete ano ha no kakra bi hwemu de ade tin eza kwaku on de me chewe
fio
David oh Jeko ade na te
eza Anthony
eza you say da bia obako no ebi ana ade a hwe no ano he on de make
opani kwadwo kire kan no ante
say unim say me trans me pian so ade ne ma
oh my god
you saw dead no
maybe me twebete ano he yes ane wa no he
eba sa wa dead ntu dead no sa na be sha no ho no ane na fa ti yes ane ne dem ubeti wa wasum
kwaku de ko
Jeko fa video yi to ho ma na tiefo ne ahwefo so mebi jaru se o ko tifido mantamu a dagomba fo no mo wa fashe bi o mo friend Damba festival duwa no fire festival ya ija o mo shi ja de ya na menim se say draw say dio kwabrane timi di jano
obi timi tena mu kra
serious
obi osa no akogina mu obi timi sa no ne to akosi janum omo timi yes ade na
brantia no di ejano ahye na
ne boxes mu
boxer no na ejano buruburu no hwie kerosene guso wo hwie kerosene guso mi sabedu a
no na mguso wi
What the moon focus was your home, the moon shabby, you know, moon shajano, so Charlie. And Ghana knew Ghana Hayanzo.
We're jar to move.
Charlie,
serious. Janet Dell, Nicole Kuno.
Did no shake was in or to me feeling in another I didn't go so. Wow.
Ish.
Serious.
Nicole Kuno. I take that.
With the mention of Shajano.
There be said, a honey young Debbie, a hundred years. Also, Janin call, yes, I will. What did Jan call you? I think the idea. Jano,
Charlie, here, they are saying, it's not your auntie Jana Madena Sanana.
Medium in him.
Kai,
1 year sure, say,
but the appearance
I dear be a honor or they can't know what I said. I say in the Bema. Munisa,
Debbie.
It's in the Kwakunanka or Dijana Yansano.
So, to two, so any day, yes, you so. Yes, you are my money, and money go what they are. I know what any.
Oh, come on.
Just what you are actually. What you are said, the idea is, I don't know, so the Udia. Said you see the Asoria or has said, it's not a dinner. You
Opening Miss Robbie and Kofu Bana.
Oh,
Abba. Where they was said the Olympic Games said would be Cana.
Video no cry, you quite transmitting. And yet, I mean, found see here now. We Abanti or say Mr. Honorable Ransford Emmanuel Cosinia could DC of a Jumako Enyane some men's Memona Basman or say a confirm 63 out of 66. We Gilbert Boatin Ejare. Damfa Banti and Anna Sadi Yabe. And now,
what your contract.
Yeah, Ankasankasa, Yenipa Charles team. Our New Jersey. Opening say Obey Nasia ye or Ghana. Na Afena USD and also Mbabe. Oba Penny Teresa Amanfu ewo Saint Denny Demetrius Greek Orthodox ewo Railway Avenue Union New Jersey nti ho nombe nyame aduma November 20th.
All right.
Nti na chese ho asem mintu chama David
Ben.
David journalist,
David Ando,
In fact, onya update ni say ya na ne ho atoro.
On there, so.
Yeah, and na Mama Twasam. Ene Mrs. Cynthia Oben. Georgia Phones. On director nyina itu chema wo mo.
Mama Twasam so me hu na chi o.
Ochiraba na yin shedan ye ketisifu
no. Yate.
Ye tu chema mo. Okay, enti abusua Airtel Tigo tugu miso promo no. Medical can once a match or that, but Abosoba and ma Eja Payentino. The woman answer nay, Sikania Tuagumua. Actually, a month for ADF every year, copying December Bosomeno Emu. Every hour, bia, every day, bia, every week, bia, every month, bia, say cash neighbor. Na grand cash prize na kasani 100,000 Ghana cedis inti bomodi achenso. Na dial *500# na recharge with 5 cedis or more. Na build your point. What I say bundle ni ade na we use na unya more point ATM transactions abe ni ade na unya point na person unya more pa na your daily SMS trivia no so foundation be one some simple questions 30 pesos na no so what they build more points na ko anymore now so bit me the cash. In fact, so we need bibia there's only one number pa they be reach out to you. Any other number bia side them they be ma here for so we the bibi or Airtel to go to me so promo no more scam. Number is 0260 000 100. Airtel to go life is simple. Affairs they do from Kel Charcoal toothpaste. A person papa unya bia wrong was in the camera unya fresh breath papa whiter teeth preventive cavity a face who stains a was sunino a cleaning na kama pa if it's Samara Company Limited papa ya no PBH acquire shops and stores and supermarkets out doing in Kel Charcoal toothpaste was a happy smile as they do from Royal Drinks. No anonia day pa fi Casapreco Company Limited your Royal Apple, Royal Cola, Royal Orange as well as Royal Cocktail. We money perfect flavors now William. So go on and feel the magic in your life as you enjoy Royal Drinks in so many flavors. Royal Drinks also you go like them. 2 series 50 pesos available in a shop near you. If you Casapreco Company Limited, an ISO certified company, do a no free 0262 351 251 afei 0272 133 373. Go TV say can show say ne wobetimi abomodern connected on air Go TV na why enjoy a captivating moment on La Liga, Serie A na Premier League. Any other leagues I would want to akano enyina wobetimi connected from as low as 48 Ghana cedis so bro using my Go TV app. Na they are calling their bend down so wetimi be Go TV. Love it. And want some enonom. In boost about mixture police in the no and also one wetimi agina brane na onipaduano akwantia yarewa ne infections ahodo ebeba mu nyina wa bra yare no ana infections kono entimi embon to en wako ayaresabia akogya ayarehwe etinum bi na build a strong immune system na dane den nyina no ahode mapa atimi atena wasetena mu e pacho kings walk about kanshi drug lane afei Ekus Pharmacy, Widama Pharmacy, Tribal Druida Pharmacy, alternative and dependable bar shops across the country. Health Alliance Shop was St. John's Nafi, Little George Health Shop, Away, Tema, Community 5, AB, or wait me after 0243 115 948 and after 0246 208 496. Now, do be on here, Biano. I was here, the best one. Come on. Na Bibian so etimi akoye e de amount. And they say obey insurance there na e kan for Phoenix Insurance and e de amawo eno e na e betimi abo ye say yen ye tua claims entempana quick sharp. Na ye de say you rise again when disaster strikes. It ye policies no bebre fire, motor accident, marine, engineering, bonds nina idimu akwotene pa. With me to insurance policy we bro using a short code star 389 star 79 star. That's 389 star 79 star. Not just oko wenim. BBN so their friend 0302 246 319 or 0243 690 492. Insure with Phoenix Insurance and experience a delightful service delivered with wisdom. And no and come on and no. Now the Big Talent Show also about every Sunday 8:30 sharp near the bro Wadum TV. So it make a date now. Wash it now. Favorite contestant with me of your man say size 2 Tapoli, Shatter Wi-Fi Paul G, Ankabako King Solomon, Afenso Fred Obed Bija Sinote, Short Prophet Faith Power Queen of Peace. They all feeling no. Na watimia avutia manana bibia ko ye kama the Big Talent Show only on Adum TV brought to you in partnership with a Darling Lemon alcoholic drink also taste it feel it and a favor Bobo Bitters Boswe and other sponsors no Aiko Spices a 21st century Asiatica experts for Elohim Treatment Center also say area ho dia na ya Dominion about powder #1 immune booster and a bar herbal center a 4 bar or say yarwe nyina ebedwane on a expect ba no no penu dia ne one time cry the Big Talent Show was untumi entake afetie sanka boy na ehye no soma me nyame adom a Thursday ebesa enwahia na emumu no ene Tuesday de 4 p.m. ya na eba wiye ene say the month of October ye wumi breast cancer awareness month ne senti ena tema Women's Hospital organize free breast cancer screening throughout the month of October and Tuesdays and Thursdays any the bro if you are not part 8 ekopim area 4 and as I share no ekoso venue no tema Women's Hospital premises wa ntia no akọ na yakohwe unufu no mu ama na how bia ho a emwa bia ho bia so no yetimi ahwe e de aboa afi share no so said the 12th edition of the EcoBank Joy News Habitat Fair Jumedi no so no baso den na we no Nyame Adumwa Accra International Conference Center from Wednesday the 27th of October to Sunday the 31st of October 2021 any day bro 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. daily activities pina na be pima chede pina so be pm or betimi join on social media platforms ni na so now we use Joy Habitat Fair. Don't forget say all the COVID-19 protocols in be ready. So for any other inquiries be answer for 0540 110-389 or 0546-908-179. The EcoBank Joy News Habitat Fair is in partnership with EcoBank, the Pan-African Bank, and powered by the Plan City Extension Project from Cities and Habitat, Rent to Own, and also sponsored by Elegant Homes and General Construction, where quality meets value. Of DBS Industries, also we truly are your roof expert. Duraplast, where Duraplast goes, water flows. And Renters Paradise, or say we help people and properties find each other. And Gold Key Properties, building prestige since 1997. The EcoBank Joy News Habitat Fair, everything housing. And no, sharing. Abuja, you can't turn off your runner. Young Pretty, the Akanina, your friend and so small now.
In you. Honey. It's office that won't come on when him Aquataps full safe and now. Tell you about who didn't the piano. Aquatap full safe.
Dadedum, Emfa or how be a embrace. Osanko, they use my pom within so in here yepa. And on Tinamato Aquatap surface disinfectant. Yet me the paper surfaces beer. Emma and what's it? Nunti hotels, restaurants, hospitals, sachet water manufacturers. And if you feel Aquatap's Abama must say, Ebejing, it will form for Health Top Up Services Limited. It was 050-169-4275 Kumasi and 020-907-7726 Accra and 024-459-3381 Koforidia. Ubenya Aquataps were pharmacies, drugstores, and supermarkets. FDA Aji Ejedi Nkratui Atum.
If what you're looking for is quality, delicious rice to satisfy the family, Food Lovers Rice can give you all you need. Food Lovers Rice can give you all you need. Oh yeah, make all your dishes special.
Food Lovers Rice is long grain, has the perfect perfume, and is great for jollof and all your favorite rice dishes. Food Lovers Special Fragrant Rice. Sisamo Nafi. This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Masa, Bright Soldier capsules. Dima Sama Mamio, share. Because on Kwana new Bright Soldier, a free Brammy shall say me use Bright Garlic Plus, no, Mensanity Tininano, Menusu and Tinami, and Manuma Tunino, a giant winning now, dear Siame.
Bright Soldier, it's me general body pains. Nasam Waba, and Obama Tinka, a Costro Papa, a year Jumasem Quina. Hey, Quack Pharmacy, Kameka, and the Herbal for Biamukajo, Bright Soldier, and a Bright Garlic Plus. A Tufunko Greenfield Scientific Herbal Clinic, a Wonungwa Dogon, last stop, SL Junction, Flower 0243-983-906.
And 0261-651-898. Bright Garlic capsules, and your drew that a share FDA. I should just say a gradient cratway, a jet to say.
Yes, Iron Mama Bedru, Anianum, Iron Mamoja, Iron Ye Adriani Dra, and Ma Wading, Bibi or why a friend of iron deficiency anemia.
I don't see it, James.
And Chanoabre, no one is with you, Abianea, iron deficiency anemia.
Millionaires, iron deficiency anemia. Hatitude and Ma won't travel. More, Nimo for one new fienum. A to me say one addition, no one upon Dino dem.
That's when so I know Brian didn't cry. Dinia iron womb to send contumre, a bedroom in Siomunam, a yo cosia,
Anka, and so vitamin C Nianra, a buabu iron mount moja to make the yejuma.
Dinia iron, I shemuma, Ninia Yashada de iron, Gumuye, Bisawa Pom, Jimbo Fonsema, a fire iron home. Live strong with iron campaign and a disanka to ye brewer, a Huaden dear, and no one iron.
Oh boy, no why they chase you? Chalemeni ho. As I say, me rushing through fiesta see games were ho. Nothing Thursday. Nanka say the Go TV Thursday say the rough. UEFA Europa League and Daso and the UEFA Conference League in Sutia. Wow, when now Go TV so? Nanka Minia. Go TV live with the 89 Ghana series being a decoder. Now upgrade called Go TV Max so now we enjoy games in na. Switch it called Go TV. Essence Go TV na Europa and the Conference League fee. Hey, now quite jammy came here. Sell to new decoder. Text the Go TV cost short code 1731 and now stay connected. Now manage your account from my Go TV app no so. And she share a crowd. Go TV, love it.
Samisoriano pa, Kale Chaco toothpaste na me missing. And mommy confidence, the morning
Se wishia ama na misifit gusuna mesrea. Eya me the Kale Chaco toothpaste. Ene twitri missing. Oba de ni pa e wo bidie mu no. Ene de aye Kale Chaco toothpaste. E boy sin ho ban, e free mowa, e boy sin mu tokro. E se ahye, ene enumunka. Sure say, amani Kale Chaco toothpaste so nie. Yet center for.
Media magic Kale Chaco
Charcoal toothpaste at tubu. Me use na no pa. Ya na dwa me kodano. E ma me sinye fita. Confidence level kwaso entibi na ma. Na me sin 32 ni na guso.
Enkane no ane maame nom di bidie twitwiri yense no asaya bebie mu bidie wo Kel Charcoal toothpaste mu no MSC fita emana hoden ne sayi nkabia ma wonum ye hwam enunti mo amonom coffee wine any tobacco e kamoseso no abama mo Kel Charcoal toothpaste sankofa yenchi
Kel happy smile
FDA adi edwedin krato ya tomo.
When we send your police in your draw, Imbusaba Mesa Amama Huaden.
Refuse to grow, and young offense swabek.
And what day immune system or Yankopon, and you're ready for Yadmusa Moya Hubano, and Nasa Wunum Imbusaba Mesa, a Peja immune system Nabribia, Yariantimu. Say, dear, a man for the one, Eddie Imbusaba Mesa, Dodua dance say, and Yarua who ran Nipa and Nina Etimi Banaso, and in Yarua Cassian Kaya Wutini D and a honka. No, you want suing, you know, a boy who buy every home. And now, pa, one Yarwana Dada, no monum doctor and Rono, and no Imbusaba Mesanoa, and Momo who are deep in tea. Ya Omuntim Pose, Yaria Esiomo, Imbusaba Mesa, a walk Kashi, and you may move Bia your toe in row, at 0246 20 8496. FDA, Ashisha said, Jadian Kratui Maja to Musay.
Onia Ghana hadie to go me so nyum no bia de sao efri se Airtel Tigo sikenso no pitibu bia so go me so Airtel Tigo piti free cash data ne community a wo be friend network bia ego bia so don shiri bia de bia sa ko se December e wo to go me so promo no mo na chede botin won so anka se esisiwo no 100,000 Ghana cedis cash ane 100,000 Ghana cedis mo but star 500 hash recharge na ko so afa Airtel Tigo di ujuma bia na wait me be kanin pam pimpima wo be win sika be bro 1 million Ghana cedis no entibu trend dia iwonia but star 500 hash is here.
Airtel Tigo, life is simple.
Sami sorry no pa Kel Charcoal toothpaste na me de twitwi me se and me confidence the money nyina
se wushia ama na me sifit guso na mesrea eya wanwan me de Kel Charcoal toothpaste and twitwi me se obo ade ni pa e wo bidie mu no ene e dia ye Kel Charcoal toothpaste e boy sin ho ban e free mowa e boy sin mu tokro e se ahye ene enumunka sure say amani Kel Charcoal toothpaste so nie yet center for
media magic Kel Charcoal toothpaste at tubu. Me use na no pa. Ya na dwa me kodano. E ma me sinye fita. Confidence level kwaso entibi na ma. Na me sin 32 ni na guso.
Enkane no ane maame nom di bidie twitwiri yense no asaya bebie mu bidie wo Kel Charcoal toothpaste mu no MSC fita e mana hoden ne sayi nkabia ma wonum ye hwam enunti mo amonom coffee wine any tobacco e kamoseso no abama mo Kel Charcoal toothpaste sankofa yenchi
Kel happy smile
FDA adi edwedin krato ya tomo.
Introducing Glovo, the app that delivers anything you want. When you're missing the right ingredient for your wonderful meal, order Glovo and wow, the ones you love. Download the Glovo app today, and when you need anything, order Glovo and we'll deliver it in minutes.
Yes, Iron Mama Bedru, Anuanum, Iron Mamoja, Iron Ye Adriani Dra, and Ma Wading, Bibi why a friend of iron deficiency anemia.
I don't see it.
And Chanoabre, no, and this routine was Abianea iron deficiency anemia.
Yampa, Mianes, iron deficiency anemia. Hatiti and Ma won't travel. More, Nimofra won't leave you. A to me say one addition, no one upon Dino dem.
Pepe. That's when so I know Brian den cry. The Niania iron womb to say contumre a bedro in Siomunam ayoyo kosia
anka eso vitamin C nuanimra ebuabubu iron ma moja to me the yejuma.
The Niania iron ashemuma ni Niania yeshada de iron egumu ye. Bisawa pom jemboa fonsema e fa iron home. Live strong with iron campaign and a disanka to ye brewo.
Ahoden die and no ane iron nuane.
Yenso akwan su dwumedie hia mo man bia nkanko e Ghana eko wiase na di wiase so ba Ghana Shippers Authority ani so ade hunu ne se ye bebuo nsuo so adwadifo e wo haw bia wonam mu Every normal ira, dear say, Sika Yajiwa Enfa Kwanso. Anyhow, would whoop you. Yenya Daja chain so ready for, and no ma echo, said your bear will bet yasia. Yanis what you say, Yabasumu, near Sumo Sumpa. Regana Shepherds Authority, our Ghana Shepherds House, Ridge, Accra, Gapuha Towers, Tema, NCA Building, 4th Gardens, a Chupe, Oakmas, Takradi Shepherds Center, Takradi, Yamusa Building, Sansuna Gumbihini, Tamale, Yawa Complaints Unit, Ewo Elibu. Paga, a flower border, Sansuna Kutukarium Shenjanabia, and a Takutel, Takradi, Fred 0302 666915, and I toll free number 0800 30055.
Ghana Shippers Authority, providing shipping solutions.
After 3-minute clinics designed to help you resolve the to build or buy dilemma, EcoBank Cities and Habitats and Joy News now bring you the main event of the EcoBank Joy News Habitat Fair 2021. This year's fair, the 12th edition, assembles an even greater number of exhibitors offering a lot more variety in quality housing options from materials through to housing accessories, landed properties as well as financing to help you either buy, build, spec, rent or rent to own. It's the EcoBank Joy News Habitat Fair 2021 powered by the Planned City Extension Project from Cities and Habitat at the Accra International Conference Center from Wednesday 27 to Sunday 31st October 2021 from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. day. You can also follow us on our social media platforms with the hashtag Joy Habitat Fair. The EcoBank Joy News Habitat Fair is in partnership with EcoBank, the Pan-African Bank, and powered by the Planned City Extension Project from Cities and Habitat, Rent to Own. Sponsors Elegant Homes and General Construction, where quality meets value. DBS Industries Limited, we truly are your roof experts. Duraplast, where Duraplast goes, water flows. Renters Paradise, we help people and properties find each other. Gold Key Properties, building prestige since 1997. And Anki's Home Decor, your home sorted. EcoBank Joy News Habitat Fair, everything housing.
Oh ma, pachomenya milk kakra mi Milo ni mwana.
Na waka ahwe.
Gabi na sme hu saudi biegumu.
Hey, ka wanno hwa sana we bisame.
Hey, milk na chemu say.
We Milo all in one no. Milo pampa, cocoa, malt, milk cho bibia wo mu.
Milo all in one a milk bebre wo mu dada. Ne hia ne se wodi nsu befra, no ati nwani nomu de a cocoa papa, ne malt and a milk bebre a de ahye sachet ba komu. Milo, the energy to go further. FDA je dredin kratoi atumu.
Gino Magic Pepper and Onion is a delicious blend of tomato, pepper and onion. That means no grinding, no blending. Ya yening in dada. Super Nedrian no abbing. And everyone loves it too.
And Kwaniya Dankasa.
This jollof, eat the go on.
Mommy, I want more food. Me too.
Make delicious meals in no time with the new Gino Magic Pepper and Onion. The magic that brings them home. This advert is FDA approved.
Ago class. Mental. Edieni mienu eni miensa.
Edionu miensa.
Mienu eni enai.
Edionu nine.
Mienu eni enum.
Sonata.
Efie di nunum aye ne mo atena ewe didi mu ni. Osa British ya yi di mu no. Yeti Hyundai Sonata mono chiao. Baku edieni num. Eni sika chedi bebre. Ewo MTN at 25 promo ni mu. Kosua fa MTN no man frɛ wadofonom. Na kasa fa text fa browsing. Fa sika na fa send sika ewo mo no so emprepi. Enum na wo benya points a. Wo betimi di Hyundai Sonata edieni num a eye mono chiao no bako. Eni sika chedi pi. Bosu me bia ewo MTN at 25 promo ni mu. Posta 156 eni ya. Na se wakwentu a wo di bedi a Kisi Biase, MTN in Kwaso, everywhere you go.
Afrishiapo, Afia Chamfete Abom Pempa Betu Yembu.
odura afia no ahia bio every 11th October coming 17th October okuapman betwa odura joda elumfu ni abrafo bekọ akọbọ kwan ekoye ne no matra kan ya mamprobi brada no pa krubi fo be ya amane apai ode foforo na no bekọ amamprobi akoye amane akofo odura abokuapehine ahemfi ukuda okuapman bezu akai na no ma afi no mu wokọ wonsumanchi yawda yokuapman adidida na obe ya amane akonsori makoma na no maduan yawda nara efi anopa no nsia kosi no nkrongo beko health work akotentin won pom ni fida no anopa no odwi kosi no ndu no beko akoduadua nua wo magnim fida no ara dwumadi ahoro bi ti say ice screening beach soccer osade soccer tournament inter school quiz competition Mr and Mrs okuapman ede ne ekeka memre da wode dwumadi bi ti say basketball competition weightlifting phantom from asanwa ukansi betu aso kwasida no okuapin ne manfo beko akoda nyame ase na wo fi asore ba wode dwumadi bi ti say beach soccer nkabom street champs e wa abanganim na nwumre na otwe kopim duba akono wode akuturu bo akansi ahyehe so dwumadi asemti a eda so ne se yenam yen amane ne amamre kwan so erikokuapman bom so man bi akon okuapin ne osia de akwasi akufu a otoso biesa akufu sabrin pom kukuabene ananse owo apem osubroni e wa hofaduru na akwase bosompra na oni akremoni abrempom na edi asi kaun se bri kotobri ja ne manfu so mama frisia po infingu mu mfeso akwahosan openya nkoma ahoden nko na batape man nko na batadi untu akwenti mfindu sing de be kukuria no mosi muti ase no de sika kokko de de achichiro okuapman ye krabehe okuapman ti ase
Adum 106.3 FM Asampa 94.7 FM Adum TV and okuapman enebo Ojura 2021 hoka
me network imbafia me e wo se me di mobile money tua me wo fa workers car nanso charges nko 380 cedis wo send sika nko ho charges no we dey submit 10 bucks so me niatie se wo be move akọ Vodafone cash enka wo be save sika bebre Vodafone cash na se me network ne die tie wo send sika wo sawo network no so no yetew wo send sika free wo network no so akọ network foforo no eno so yetew na emom tie asem de pa wo send sika wo Vodafone cash so a free. What's send this free Vodafone cash? I got network BR swa and so you free. Masa into work catch what that's so you then was sour network and no so move bra Vodafone cash says hey masa you chip not to ball musisi I know say dear what's send this Vodafone cash so I got network BR swa and you free. Send this do BR and prend do BR con network BR so free. Dial star 110 hash says in a send this
Alandia Eva Bill, she said was sorry, now shed a foot for ye. I say, a bit to me, and yama, baby, I'm out. Alandia Eva milk, what will make you feel like wow?
Anopabia, num Hollandia Evap milk. Vitamin B12 ne calcium wom na ne gumunu so akono. Hollandia Evap milk mano paye de papa. Ejedi nkratu yi FDA agiatum.
This is Adom FM and this is Jerry Justice.
Ophia Kwanso with me and Jerry Justice on Adom 106.3 FM.
Jerry Justice on Adom 106.3 Box
That's right, y'all. Check the time now, just about 20 more minutes to hit the top of the hour 6. And 6 will be out of here. There the news at 12, so. And that's what it is. They won't celebrate there. As you Timishane Kikane today. Na Mpumdeno, Itimi Ejina and Nasu Yepa. Iti Yensembri. Na Chese. Madina. A large vision. Dog alade. Dog akaba. Na empunu say. Nice. Manager, bibia boko there. Yede nyame ase.
Asamba kwa na nkofo ka say as me ni me boss e tu kwan ye kokko no ngo ho. Ofa no bi bite. Be du na mafo wo ye chi. ma ye fane say nkrobofo krum ha yitima sa krum ho na obisa yen say eya oti yen kan ba tonti adanse die bia wo show na me say ne die o ha na me bo obi wo me phone so na me die na me tell adanse die e wo wan kasa ba ba
yes wa be kwa kodi adanse ende no kre
ni aka me boss di beto
ena yenso ya wa yenso hu adanse die bi amanfo bi mu so de ba ne ade no ti ase wo mi se mo na mo ba mo be bo mo ade hu dawru ba no kre nyam ye ni etiefo adansidi a amanfo binim so a akọ ba no edi no ene binim so a omwa bruchire omwa frefren ya kanse mo a kire no utimi se nyame a kire omwa onro pa ponto aso
Roger Fashodasi bache de enchia kase de ma ewiase afana nyina Ghana ha ba bia wo bia mpacho na nwumre yamawajo de ba Adom FM dankase mu hwede amponyago pasa hweye so bia mo na twena kwapra abeto ye medin a obo am gise Dr. Alhaj Idris ameda Alhaj Vision Herbal Clinic ano kokomremre haya na mewo Ebi am say amanfo ebi frame Alhaji Joy, ebi frame Alhaji Adom, ebi frame Alhaji Kokomremre. Pacho de o yira ba bia wo free ba bia Bra Joy FM, Kokomremre Joy FM. So free Sunyane, o free Tamale, o free Kumase, ho na o free ba me pacho ya na ebi sro se. O say Alhaji na akra menim ho na me bai ebede na maba. Wo de bia am kasa faka no VIP no de o be station na frame. Minti na oba so frame ya me manager tuka aba faw. O ba e be hwe o na se hwe wie nso a ya be kwa kwesiu amekisho so ayede akwa kodu fie enti mpacho so oteme nka mema wo yemu nhyew sa akra na me ho enti wontumi mma pacho tie Alhaji Vision Herbal Clinic ya bia me de abibidro ene di dwuma abibidro chodi amponya kopon de na me nanom so amenya ambotreta o mu nchen ema o mu tete me amesua nioma bi eden ede firi o mu nchen ti me ankasa na me kɔ wuram kɔye amamre ni amane fa abibidro eden ede ba fie ebe hata ede ye nnwuma sɛ de ebe ya obodin ebe den ebe tim de ye adwuma ibacho tie ya kasa pinti asase na okwa sasa Bible kase ni dua na bane fa habane sare enso emrada ho afie kase ya ye wo mu sɛ wuram a obehu security for ansa na watchman nyesa wo fitia na wide ne wawuram edan ya esiwe ewura me ametiwe mi wawura nti sɛ wo behwehwɛ me a anase bia wo hia bibia firi me ho a wuti me fa me nkosa gisi wo hu me ma me ne papa ansa saa da twedi amponyakopɔ enhaban enubra enusini nso a ewura mu no sɛ wo kwa kofa nyesa wo fitia na wide wo kwa kofa enya adwuma me pache otie ne yie chi sɛ wo ye amambre ne amane nana me pache we me fa ahaban we akosa diabetes eti pache nana mo soma amambre ne munyina mu nhia soma me nya adwuma nana me fa ahaban we akosa aniyare etena mani so me de kosate itina na mpacho amamre ne munye na ahaban mu nhia so mame na nya adwuma na ebia redium yare bi na abeto me so tiare bi abeto me so me ko entumi nko nti ahaban we na se na nanom akyese we na sa tiare nti wo se me sre na nanom na omuhira so mame ansa na me de akompacho de je number we ansa 0242 81 24 26 0242 81 24 26 0502 18 71 78 0502 18 71 78 Bachote Alhaji Vision Herbal Clinic me yesunsum ne honamani adwuma inshallah wa how bia betena wo so ache wo de akini ache ma me ne papa busa ho se adentina diabetes ne betena wo so wo de wadum nuru ache obi ho se dok madum no 10 to 20 years e bisi 15 to 30 years enyankoye bachote yenom adro edisa ema ye ho toyen na mi busa wo se adentina omo diabetes ya na yesi omo kidney omo nya kidney problem ye nru na wonom ne too much mpate otie twedi amponyakopon hira enhaban enubran bi so amame a me de diabetes adro se type 1 type 2 inshallah ba bia ya reni free bia me den me sama ho ato sana eye problem bia betos obi ho se doc me hu ade no wa kire me hu ena ebe me so me hu obi ho ase ya sa anwea gu nani so obi ho nani so ne wisi mpache otie obi ho ade sa ontimi drive e bia diabetes ne se wunya etimi kofa sa ade ne ba etima eye problem e bia wanya body pressure na air pressure no ena wanya na kofa sa ade na ba kofa te abeba wani so enti ese brane mfa aduro so na se tedi nyine wasan ba ye operation mpache oda bi ena ebia na wonti Alhaji Vision nkanti ukwakoye wani ni baako operation nti baako na kan brana me mo ho ban ma na anka wan to dem ebia koko bi na kofa ba de bia ya meka setie koko yare boni papa yare koko na twedi amponyakopon da roma sedan kanyakopon din ewrade nyakopon acha me koko nro nhaban enubra enusi e makoma 7 sebi obi ho ko private wo hu mogya wo ebetima ma osisi aye wo ya ebetimi akun bema koko betimi agya wotiti tiare bia obeye la watwa scanner cha a wonhu ba bia yare ni firi so na ye koko bi ho a ewo woyem ebetimi ma woyem abu obeka se wonya henia enso na wonya henia mpacho tie se henia no kra na ye wa mpacho bra ne ma ondu a obenu a ebena ne sa betom kra na insha Allah ebena ne ya den akọ koko ye yare boni oba koko betimi asiwa wo ho kwan sa na koko betimi agya siyare bia ma chese wodwe ho a wonye den wonti ase enti sa wo ye bema ana wo ye oba no wakọ private won se moja won pempacho 2 na one ba large vision eba clinic koko memre na moji number no 0242 81 24 26 0242 81 24 26 0502 18 71 78 0502 18 71 78 Bacho tie koko yare boni mesambo koko so esanse koko hanipa ye nuane ya yedie nyanti na efa se koko ni haye koko tetie ye mema no so ye bebre mema nya adwuma efa ye koko me pacho tie nie ade bia me kasa large vision eba clinic sa obema no se nye operation bi na wakwa na atwa vein bi mama obema no ko offer na se bia yare koko bi na mama obema no ko off bia diabetes bi na wanya ena nu bia wanonum abro so ana pressure bi na wonya ye ena wanonum nu bia abro so na mama obema sam ko foma oba large vision eba clinic do beto aduro so na me ma diabetes no num no so na me sam ma obema duro abenu abeden me ma obema na chima ye adwuma kama ma ani gya den abafie oba fibroid bia beto so de bia me ka so men konkoye fibroid operation de enti am se men konkoye fibroid operation ni se fibroid akwese dua ye twa so dua se wutwa so esan fefe fibroid fefe men konkoye fibroid operation omo ma ye fibroid operation ni nyina mpacho tie efefe oye first one obo sa san finance ba second one ko be wia se ne yi wa wo de na siwa wo ho kwan wutumi ngu biem me mpacho tie ni ye na de wo komre wa bom ahwe yi a obeti adwentwene betimi aka wakoto owom me wo fibroid no makoma ko 7 ene ye 3 insha Allah so wura large vision eba clinica me ma ondu abenu abena ne fibroid no obisi akoto wa wodiem akoto hefa entumi nko bedi na chiri wade ye kanoa papa woti omi de chiri wade kan se obewu
yes
ade a yesi ade we ye ni udi a wonwu enti emfa ho ne ba bia fibroid na hinta akodu ba bia emfa ho ne ba bia akodu si atoto yem kra insha Allah je number no 0242 81 24 26 0242 81 24 26 Pacho teni stroke about this yenato de bia ya meka so obi ho bia stroke no ba ye no wanye obi amana mane no bia no mama sese watimi asori kakra ba nante no waye den to anamone ba large vision ba clinic insha Allah won sane wonan na ayetiti no memo waye den memo no bia ba no ba na ni moja no ama otimi de wanant emfa ho ne ba bia wo so efa hi na wo se US na wo Canada wo Spain wo Holland wo UK me Pacho te de bia me sending no de ba anti UK for me chiamo US for so me chiamo Bradams wo UK na no oboa me intimesraw bidin chaka se den edi maw ya na mama dansidie no so akọ so amaye enyuma na ye no mpacho tie mo so muni adanse amaye de wo hu ye bia so otumika pacho tie die mame wo ha bia beto audition no so e bia una wutie ono de onte nti fa number no ne fama audition bi fama wonu bi fama odanfo bi da ka chese doctor bia ba ye fa na large vision twedi amponyankopon den ayi naba wo den haban enubra enusi na ye adwuma ye ne ayi mam ha enura twedi amponyankopon ahia so ama aye de ye nam amamre kwa so ne amane kwan so aye den akwa akofa me pacho tie tu anamone bra large vision aba ne kokomremre adom fm dankasi na chi ho na eba woni ne glokoma na aba so prostate cancer bia beto so e pacho tie wo kwa entumi nko ujonso hwa ye diama ebia ya share rubber tu anamone bra obeyi rubber na to inshallah waste pen bia beto so sisiare obi ohwa wase ache dog manum nuro ya che me nan me to ase ye den tweme me nan tweme me nan se ne me nsa twetweme tie me yo ho haban enubra ani nusi no hwa me dia ye nuro oba inshallah wo de hye ne no nsa wi cocaine tramo de bia ya me bu ba bi se nye adwene pen se wo ye den wo hoja so e bia kwala no enimdie kakra bia twedi amponyankopon de de ache no adwuma bia wo wom obia ne sibia nyankopon star nyankopon de bo no enti obi ohwa wo si so anu ma koyie ma ne tentem eno na sa baifo no hu a na omayeden omani abre na omato yare ama akwala no mbache otie saade we abeton so waja school no onom nsanda waja adwuma bia wo ye okokyira de kwa na bia wabu owadwuma ma wabu ebeyi wadi mbache otu anamone ba large vision ba clinic oda na obi ni wa ba beda wonnam mbache otie ni ye obroni friend spiritual marriage na me ka say me say ade a eni ho ne brofo nyeden eni ho nti once abroni atu din abodin de na wo ho oda na obi ni wa beda e ma wo yare ese wo nyuma ese wa ware mbache otie oba bi ho ne be mate be ma ne be ye den obefa na chi ya wan na hyɛ ne ringo ɛnyɛ ɔno a spirit na ɛhyɛ ne mu no tam bia de ne yɛ nneɔma bɔne na sɛ ɔkɔyɛ wia no wayɛ dɛn ne wɔno no ho nyɛ mma no nko ɛbɛma no so saa woyere yɛ deɛ ma ɔkora nyɛ wo fɛ honhom ba na wabɛware wo anaa so honhom bɛma na wabɛware wo tuana mo no bɛla division ba clinic yɛbɛdware wo haban enubra ne nunsini na sɛ twɛdeɛ mpo Nyankopɔn adawro ma sɛ saa deɛ no tena wo so biama alagye wo hyia me amenkya me twam inshallah ɛpakyɛ wo tie ne yie haw na bɛtɔ wo so wodeɛ wode akyini akyɛ mpanifoɔ sɛ sɛ woantieti atekyɛ mu ankyɛ wonyɛ dɛn wonyɛ nsupa nom obi frɛ me a wɔse dog yareɛ no mede akyini akyɛ afedeɛ ma ɛnoa ne bɛkome menu ya Kristo ni kramoni ya gidie sɛ twɛdeɛ mpo Nyankopɔn bɔ na nyɛ dɛn yɛwo bɛto wɔn ga na nka wo ho ɛbɛto wɔ kwam nti inshallah kan ba wo ne kan Quran ne bɔ mpaeɛ ne tuo na mobile large vision ba clinic ne ka sɛ saa sisiare na bɛtɔ so na bɛkɔ saa grokomo na bɛtɔ so sɛ grokomo ne aduro no ɛbɛdɛ ɛbɛkɔ ɛtɛna abɛsi wɔ ni so a ɛsɛ fra ne mfa do so so no inshallah oba large vision ba clinic a ɛbɛdɛ ɛbɛkɔ ɛnam yare na wonya yɛ no a obi da na obi ne wabɛda wɔde gonorrhea ne syphilis bia bɛtɔ so a wɔkyini awɔ mpa ne atwa scan na labs a entumi nkɔ no tuo na mo ne bra me de aduro bɛka wa saa yɛ dɛ abɔ mpa ya ma ɛma no me nua ma no mensesɛm ne hamo obi yɛ hɔ ampakyɛ otie o message ne ntumi mma akyɛ ebi a 3 months 6 months mada ebi kura sɛ 1 year mai ampakyɛ otie mesrɛ mo muntu na mo na momra saa mo gya na ntumi mma no de bia me de ya me ka asɛm bia me de nyoma bi yɛ example sɛ car kura so wan change oil na car ne ntumi yɛ dɛ saa na oni padua no saa mo gya na agyina mo ntumi mpie no ebe 1 ebetuma mo tie yɛ wo ya deɛ ɛtɔso mienu ɛbɛtuma ma ofu ayɛ kɛse deɛ ɛtɔso miɛnsa ɛbɛtuma ma osisi ayɛ wo ya ana deɛ ɛtɔso na ɛbɛtuma ma onansi ataataa wan hwɛ yi abɛka sɛ obi na ayɛ den ato aduro na sɛ obi na ato aduro kora to na mɔde ba large vision back link inshallah sɛ woduru hɔ a mɛbɔ mpa yɛ ama wo mɛyi saa aduro na yɛato no hɛ obi ani tumi nkyɛ Nyankopɔn mɛyi afiri wo so na mɛyi firi wo so yɛ ama ma onuru a wobɛ no obi so wɔ hɔ a ne menses no wɔni prombet ɛbɛba a ɛyɛ den ɛyɛ ne ya ɛno so ba ɛbɛma onuru a wobɛ no ma pensi ne bɛyɛ den ɛbɛgyae ɛmma biem mpakyɛ otie wɔ haw bi da wo so wode akyini akyɛ ɔha wei abɛtena wo so no ɛyɛ yare bi abɛtɔ so bi a wode akyini akyɛ a wonya no aduro wada hospital kyɛmbakyɛ tie wode sika bosom so na wogye wo sika na wo sia no namba no 0242 81 24 26 0242 81 24 26 0502 18 71 78 0502 18 71 78 mpacho ti wode how be down so epilepsy bia beto audition so bia ya tama no to anamo ne bra asma bia beto so asma ne osunsum de ho yare ne honam ne osunsum de abeto audition so nti wo ko entumi nko mpacho to anamo ne bra diabetes ne bia ya tama to anamo ne ne bra ne yenye de yenhwe ma mpacho ti BP bi so abeto so ache entumi nko abrɛ eye problem yesi san be operation kan wo ne ka dem men konko ye operation wajapade bi akodi obi nsa obi asisi waje wajapade bi mpacho bra ɛhɔ ye mpaebɔ ne de obewuram ye be bɔ mpae ama nipa no hwahye ne inshallah obegya wade yɛ sɛ papa bra be fa wade yɛ obeso daye na nipa no gya wajapade ama ade be kyen obefro so bra be fa inshallah o how be down so ba bi a wotie bia mpacho de tie Mr. Kofi Adade o New York ye chia o papa waboa yen this week kasa metia me kasa wona wotua sasika we ya wode ma ti Yakopon som dwenye de amen obi a obi Yakopon ye de omba wo ho ban wo yire ne wo ma Yakopon hwe omuso musie no sa wanyi omu mfrim pacho tie the number ne biem 0242 81 24 26 0242 81 24 26 0502 18 71 78 0502 18 71 78 epachoti wa how be down so aye kwankro we kwan to me nkofre kokomremre ne wo Adom FM wo de wuduru ha pe frɛ ne mefa do akonya ba ko fon transfer change ye be sorry na yade ye so agya obi
all right dog ya dase fiam ya Adom next year be share biem na de aka na to aso so ti Adom 106.3 FM Ghana's #1 radio station. In no time it's going to be checkout time. But me my rent free. Sir. Okuapeman Ojura baso den. Yes, Ebrena Sansubi. It's when you shall say from the 11th of October. At Tatemwa confirm the 17th of October. Brana na yen kamumwe. Na yen Ojura. De come. Activities the baby. The legendary from dance competition bebaso. Arts exhibitions, boxing, health walk, soccer tournament. Charlie, great live band music, Papa B. Nina Edregua. Woman, I told you that. Then you come on. Channel say COVID-19 protocols in there, but so come pa. Now, you may be Adom 106.3 FM, Asempa 94.7 FM, Adom TV. The Dimutin Tima den pa, and I had the Ebrewo. A happy birthday, though belated, and come out Mrs. Delphine Dodu of Air Armed Forces Secondary and Technical School, Accra, and a resident of Def Traco Tema Community 25 from Mr. Ernest Nete and the wife Vivian Lisa, the children Mary Lisa, Ernest, Reginald, as well as Ronald Nete, Omunawa Air Community 25 Def Traco. Sweetest girl, and I am so dangerous. I don't take so serious. A happy birthday going out to my lovely daughter, Precious Nyako of St. Anglican Primary School, Nungwa. You are 11 years old today. I want to wish you a happy birthday, and I pray that God will continue to keep and bless you. Tell her Daddy loves her so much, and wish her all the best in life. And today is my sister's birthday. Her name is Esther Lawe Agbo of Akuse. Please tell her I love her so much. She's my fighting partner, and I love her as well. So much. I know you and share. I don't know. You trust na you quit when I feel na. You may musuna. And you know say whatever. We also say happy birthday, though belated, and come here, Eunice, Madame Ameho, over here Odoko from DJ Pantalon. Right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, that will take us to check our time. Time to bounce out of here and make way for the news at 6 on 106.3 at Dome FM. It's been nice coming your way with a Tuesday's edition of your own show, Ophir Kwanso. As that can say, come on, more money at time, you know, Yamin Shamo. Maybe come on team, you know, Papa Bills, African, Jamestown, J. Cole. Maybe soon come on here, be a boyfriend, and friend, and I say, I'm Puff J. You're from Jerry Justice. She only and watch you. That was reaction. It's a serious move. Thanks so much for your time with us, and do have a great evening. We are out of here.